Okay, let's go.
Okay, welcome. So, funny story, I did a whole intro video yesterday and I accidentally deleted it. So, I'm actually on day 2, but I'm going to do the intro video today to explain exactly what we're going to do. So today what we're going to do is we're going to build a gift for my buddy Tim and his wife Julie O'Malley. They own O'Malley's Gym. They own 3 gyms and they just opened their 3rd one out in Beaverton, Oregon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build them a little gift. It's kind of a great way to launch this new channel that we're doing. And we're going to have some YouTube videos, Instagram clips. This video is going to be my first YouTube video, so I thought it was a great opportunity to not only introduce myself, but also build a gift for a couple good friends of mine and to congratulate them on all their success. So I'm going to start off, I'm starting off on day 2 as of right now. But yeah, let's get to the build. Thanks, guys. Okay, so at this point we should have, I'm gonna have to adjust that light. We should have a piece that looks a little bit like this. Yeah, this right here is gonna be the seat. This is where they sit. Moving on to the next phase. What I'm doing here is I am lining up my hole for the other piece to slide through. This is the back rest. The other piece was the seat that slides through this hole. I'm pulling in 2 inches off the side and about 1.5 inches thick, just thick enough for my other 2x12 to slide through. And then what I'll do is I'll drill a couple of holes here, get things kind of opened up, and then I'm going to take my skill saw, do a plunge cut on both sides, and then I use the holes that I drilled for my jigsaw to get in there and carve out the rest, which was a little bit of a process, but we got through it. Shift gears here a little bit. Finally got all of our pieces cut, got our holes drilled out. I got all of our edges routed. I was getting going on that second round and I decided that I wanted to make that chamfered edge a little wider, and so I just thought I'd kind of give it a little bit more of a decorative look to the back of it. So anyways, we're shifting gears to the finishing side. We're going to go, I'm going to use a 80 grit and a 150 grit. For those of you who don't know what that means, 80 grit, the lower the number, the more material you're taking off. The higher the number, the finer the finish. So we're not going to take it too high as far as the grit number. You can go into like 320s. We're not going to go that high just because we're going to use the standard we're going to use and the rest of the process. So 80 150. You'll see what I do is I take a pencil mark and I mark it all across the piece that I'm going to be sanding. Helps me kind of know where I'm at and how much I need to be doing, how long I've been on one spot, so that I don't get those swirly marks on it. So yeah, here we go. We're on to the next phase. to do here, I'm going to take you through kind of the finishing process and what we're going to do. We've already sanded it. So I have 3 different phases here. The first one is going to be a pre-stain wood conditioner. This I have never done, but from my understanding, what it does is it helps stain more evenly, so you don't get those blotchy. I'm doing this with Doug fir. It's not any fancy hardwood, so it tends to have kind of a blotchy finish after you stain it. So we're going to try this pre-stain, and then we are going to do a dark walnut stain, and then we're going to finish off with a semi-gloss polyurethane finish. So yeah, so as of right now, what we're going to do, we're going to start off with the pre-stain. You're supposed to wait about 5 to 15 minutes after that before you start staining it. So by the time I'm done with the first set, then it'll be time to stain. So we'll just roll right into it.